If you want to add widgets to the home screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you need to do is you want to simply press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen just like that, and then at the bottom we can choose widgets. And once we open widgets, then over here, as you can see, we have many different widgets to choose from. I mean, we have some examples, of course, but here there's also a list of apps that have widgets, that offer some widgets. So let's say I'm gonna go for maybe Spotify here, and then you should be able to find all widgets that are offered by this specific app of your choice. And then you can, for example, press and hold your finger on a widget and then drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be on the home screen, just like that. Now, besides that, you should also be able to press and hold your finger on an app, for example, on the home screen, and then here we have the widgets option, as long as the selected app has widgets. So then you can see only widgets from this app. So let's say I'm gonna try to add this one now. There we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.